Intro. Welcome to Word Insights, where we explore the meaning and usage of interesting words. Today, we're going to delve into the word habit. It's a term that plays a significant role in our daily lives. Let's get started. Meaning. A habit is a noun that refers to a routine behavior or action that someone performs regularly, often without consciously thinking about it. Habits can be both positive and negative, and are typically formed through repetition and consistency. Pronunciation. Pronounce habit as ʻhæbɪt, rhyming with rabbit. Use in a sentence. 1. His daily exercise habit helps him stay healthy and fit. 2. Breaking a bad habit can be challenging, but it's worth the effort. Synonyms. Synonyms for habit include routine, custom, practice, behavior, or pattern. Conclusion. That's our exploration of the word habit. Whether it's a daily routine or a behavior that's become ingrained, habits play a significant role in our lives. Thanks for joining us, and may you develop and maintain positive habits that contribute to your well-being and success.